Describe someone you have met who you want to work or study with. You should say who this person is, how you met this person, how long you have known him or her, and explain why you want to work or study with him or her.
The first person I would be more than happy and honored to study with is one of my classmates, my BFF, best friend forever, who has befriended me for 4 undergraduate years. It is by no means exaggerating to say that we are as thick as thieves, as we have attended the same lectures together, we have developed the same hobbies together, and we have agreed on and defended so many sets of value together. The reason I enjoy studying with her is because she excels academically, as she is a well-known scholar lord, aka, also known as, academic overachiever, who can inspire me in every way, such as time management, literature searching and reviewing, self-discipline, hardworking and smart working. I have to say, she has so many admirable qualities that I can take a cue from. In addition, by doing homework together, our friendship is strengthened as we work hard and play hard, work smart and play smart. She demonstrates to me without words what it is to be capable, beautiful and ambitious. I can completely be myself with confidence whenever she is around, as she accepts me for who I am. In the meantime, as well-educated university students, we are the soul of discretion, and we treat each other with decency, as we never pry into each other's private matters without being invited, and we refrain from judging one another because we deeply understand that maintaining an appropriate boundary is essential for fostering a long-lasting and strong friendship. Deep down, we all hope that our friendship is meant to be built to last.
Contact Dr. Anin in England.